Today I'll make a mold for this bottle. This is a Coca-Cola bottle. Okay, let's start. Okay, now click this front plane and click feature and click this curve and click split line. Type of split line, choose intersection and click this surface and click this surface, this surface and this surface, this surface, this surface. See, this is the critical point. Just actually should be checked properly this face is correct or not. Yes, yeah, this is the correct point. Yes, click OK. Now the bottle is fully separated by split line. Okay, just go to next step. Now go to surface and click offset surface. Make sure it is 0 0. Okay, now select the all faces. Select this face, this face, this face and this face, this face. Yeah, this face is missing. Yeah, or this face and this face and again this face, and all faces are selected. Just recheck all face selected or not. Okay. Okay, all faces are selected. Just click copy surface and select OK. Yeah, now go to main body. This main body, just click and height. Now see, this is height. The main body. Okay, now go to direct edit and click face, delete face and click this face and click OK. Okay, now go to front plane and sketch. Sketch a center rectangle. Just sketch it. Go to a smart dimension. Keep the dimension 250. Click enter. Sorry, need more. Minimum 300 will be better. Just I will keep 300. Click enter and give this dimension 150. Click enter. Okay, just go to surface and click extrude surface. Just move it. See, change the direction and keep this 150. Click enter. Yeah, sorry, 150 will be bigger, so 150, sorry, 100 is enough. Okay, just click OK. Now see, Now click extruded surface, click this, and click OK. Now click plane surface, click this edge and click this edge and click OK. Now go to trim surface and click this surface and this surface and this surface and click this surface. All surface are selected and click keep remove selection. Remove the faces, just select the remove face, this face and this. Now see, it is removed properly. Just again this remove. Yeah, now see, remove is properly. Just click OK. Now go to surface extrude and delete it. Yeah. Now go to planar surface and click this face and click this face and click OK. Now see, and again go to planar surface and click this edge and click this edge. Sorry, click this edge. Now see and click OK. Now all faces are closed and now go to neat surface and click this surface and this surface and click this surface. Sorry, click this surface. Now see, all surface selected or not. Yeah, so sorry, select all this and this. Now all surface are selected, so click create solid and click OK. Yeah, it is created as a solid. Now our mold almost ready. Just now go to main body and click this and click show. Okay, now click this front plane and go to feature and click this mirror and feature to mirror, click, and this is the main body and click this. Sorry, it will be body to mirror, this body, and click OK. Yeah, our mold is completely ready. Now see. Okay, just go to insert and click float. Just click this space and move it. Just wait and click this space and move it. Yeah, see. Yeah, our mold is completely ready. This is the right side cavity and this is the left side cavity. This is the left side cavity and this is the our main core. Okay.